Did you know that Humpty Dumpty was never actually an egg? That's right, the famous nursery rhyme never once mentions eggs. So where did this silly egg idea come from? Well, there are some pretty wild theories. Some people think Humpty Dumpty was really a big cannon that fell off a wall during a war. Others believe it was about a mean king who lost his power, and some say it was just a tricky riddle about broken things that can't be fixed. But here's the amazing part. Kids everywhere started imagining Humpty as a cute round egg all by themselves. Why? Because children love turning everyday objects into fun characters. An egg sitting on a wall, perfect for falling and cracking. Then, a famous writer named Lewis Carroll drew Humpty as an egg in his book, and everyone loved it so much that it stuck forever. Different countries around the world still picture Humpty differently, but we all agree on one thing. This funny character teaches us that some mistakes can't be undone, so we should be more careful.